Okay, guys, good day. Welcome back to this channel. Now, guys, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, guys, please click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. And guys, if you're also yet to follow us on Telegram channel, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section, see the link to our Telegram channel, click on it, follow us on Telegram. We'll be putting out one or two useful information for you guys there. Now, let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on Euro GBP. So if you have to take a look at something like right here, you will see that something like a bullish move is currently playing out. So if you take a look at it, this is the bullish move, and you will see something like a reversal also playing out within this level. Now let's see it this way. So let's start with the daily time frame, right? So you can see that this is an higher highs. Here comes the higher lows. Then you can see a new highs, right? This is an higher lows. If you take a look at this is a new highs that took out the previous highs, and here comes the higher lows. If you take a look at this is a new highs that took out the previous highs. So this is an higher lows. So this personally, I see this drop into this level to come to give us a equal lows here, right here. That is exactly what I am seeing. Now, can it start pushing up from this level where it currently is, this EURGBP? Can it start pushing up? Absolutely, yes, it can start doing that. But personally, I think it will actually drop first to come give us an equal lows here. Then it will start pushing up. So if in case it will start continue to drop, I'm going to give you guys an update on it. If in case there's going to be a change in our direction, right, I'm going to give you guys an update. So that is why I want you to follow us on Telegram so you can get the updates from us, and also click on this subscribe button so you can get an update from us.